intro. So just when I thought I had taken all of the trails in Pinnacles National Park, I noticed that clear at the bottom of the map was a South Wilderness Trail. Now, in a previous video, I walked the North Wilderness Trail. I guess it makes sense that there is a South Wilderness Trail. This one's quite a bit different. It actually starts near the new Peak View parking lot, and you can just take a bit of the bench trail that leads to a fire road over to South Wilderness. It's a pretty different trail. Now, spring has just sprung in California, and we had the most rain and snow on record, like forever. So things are very green and starting to pop right now. There's water in the creeks, which is kind of unusual for Pinnacles. And so far it's been great. It's just a really nice, pretty trail. There's interesting land features. It's not the big rock of the rest of the park, but no one's here. Poison oak. Ugh. The trail has been pretty gentle so far, just a couple tiny rolling hills. It's between 5 and 6 miles long, pretty close to 6. I think they said it was 2.9 or something, but that depends on where you start, of course. Let's just call it 6. And it just kind of heads out to the southern boundary of the park. If you were going to say spend a week in the park and you'd already done some of the big ones and want something a little more relaxed, this is quite nice. Lots of poison oak this time of year though. Yeah. So as it turns out, I was off trail early, but this area is actually where the trail goes. This trail has been a lot of fun so far. I've already had to do 2 creek crossings. There is one section that I was actually not sure how to keep going. The trail takes you into a dry creek bed, and then you walk until you're at a creek. And I didn't see any branches. So this is what you're looking for right here to get back on the trail. Is this it? End of trail. Yeah. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, trail ends here. All right. Funk.